In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Axis Center tool in Cinema 4D. Getting the pivot of your object in the right place is essential for clean rotations, accurate scaling, symmetry, and snapping. The Axis Center tool lets you reposition an object's axis without altering the geometry, so your model remains untouched while the pivot moves to a more useful location for animation and alignment. Start by selecting the object you want to adjust. Then go to the top menu, Open Mesh, and choose Axis Center. This opens the Axis Center settings so you can decide exactly where the pivot should live. Think of this panel as a precise controller for the pivot, separate from the shape of your model. If you simply want the axis in the middle of the object, enable the option labeled Center. This tells Cinema 4D to calculate the object's center and move the axis there automatically. It's the fastest way to reset an off-center pivot. When you're satisfied, click Execute to apply the change. Your geometry stays perfectly in place. Only the axis relocates, which is ideal for keeping deformations and hierarchies consistent. If you need more control, switch the action setting to Axis 2 and enable the Center checkbox in that section. This mode lets you send the axis to a very specific location. For example, you can select a point or an edge on your model first, then use Axis 2 to snap the axis to that selection for precise alignment. You can also use percentages to target the geometric center along individual axes. 0% represents one side of the object's bounding box, 100% represents the opposite side, and 50% is dead center. Adjust X, Y, and Z percentages independently to place the pivot exactly where you need it, such as centered in X and Z, but sitting at the base in Y. When your settings look correct, click Execute to commit the changes. A few practical notes as you work. Make sure the right object is selected before running Axis Center, because the tool acts on the active object. If nothing appears to change, confirm that the intended option is enabled, and then execute again. After applying, try a quick rotate or scale to confirm the pivot behaves as expected. This workflow is non-destructive, so you can always undo if the placement isn't what you wanted. That's the process. Open Axis Center from Mesh, use Center for a quick midpoint, or switch to Action. Axis 2 with Center for precise placement via selections and percentages, and Execute to finalize.